What up, gentlemen? Welcome to 20 games versus the RTX 5070 Ti, paired with the Ryzen 5 9600X, a real-world graphics card and CPU combination that you would normally see in the real world. We're gonna test the games at 1440p resolution. We made a full build guide on how to build this 5070 Ti system from start to finish. Beginner-friendly tutorial. That video is linked in the video description. All parts used for this build are linked in the video description. Let's jump into the benchmarks.
Warzone.
1440p res on a 360Hz monitor. Here are the quality settings. NVIDIA DLSS set to quality. The rest of the settings and our view set to the max 120. Let's do it. Oh my god! Thought we were friends! Thought we were friends! The fuck? Hey, get away from me! I don't know, we're teams. Let's make it teams. I'm following you though, and I need a shield, by the way. Let's go over here. Over here.
Enemy.
Hey, gas mask right here. If we stay together and double team, we can't lose. ¿Cómo se sube arriba? Pa' acá. ¡Atrás! Hey, and always have cover. Hey, motherfucker! Hands up, motherfucker!
Y'all are teaming. That's crazy. You got reported like 50 times.
Hey, rock, paper, scissors, okay? Alright, you tell me what you want on 3, okay? You gotta say rock, paper, scissors on 3, alright? 1, 2, 3, papel! No! Damn, see, man? That's betrayal right there, man. Yo, what's our average FPS? 258? Not bad. I want to do another one. Time to party. It's alright, man. I'm not gonna kill you. As long as you agree to be on my team, I won't kill you, man. Oh my god. Damn, bro. Oh! Oh!
I'll be back.
Fuck! We're gonna call it a wrap right there. Average FPS 272. Performance was awesome. Games were awesome. Let's keep it moving.
Fortnite.
1440p res on performance mode with all this set to the max.
I hear footsteps. No shield. Nice. No shield. Nice. Deadpool hit 100.
Reloading.
Nice.
Oh, he's in.
Hit 70.
Oh, another one. I hit him for 26.
No shield. 29 white.
26 again. He knocked him. He's right there, bro. Right in front of us.
Oh, I missed. Oh, this isn't.
Oh, he's right in front of us.
Yup.
Oh my god, switch to the gun, you idiot.
Get the mythic thing. Get the mythic thing. I'm gonna take.
Fortnite performance, amazing. We're at the 300 FPSs.
There's only, wait, it's a 2v2.
Whoa.
From where? Come here. I have a big part I can give you. Dude, this guy loves bushes.
No!
I'm behind a tree.
All right, well, good game. Performance was amazing. Average FPS 300.
Battlefield 2042.
Native 1440p resolution. The medium graphics settings preset is on and reflex on enabled plus boost. Let's do it. Is he dead? There's one of them. Got two. Pleasures. You're not even trying. It's as easy as that, guys. We won? Oh, we won! Oh my god! Wow! Dude, let's go! Average FPS 206.
Rainbow Six Siege.
1440p res, 90 FOV. Here are the graphics settings. Let's do it. Yeah! Wow, dude, look at that! Oh my. Oh yeah. It's all come down to this moment. One right there on ping. Good job! The average FPS is not very accurate for Siege. So you guys saw the FPS because it always goes so high during the pausing in the menu. So the average FPS is funky for Siege. Anyways, performance was great though. Native 1440p, next one.
Marvel Spider-Man.
1080p, on plus boost, DLSS frame generation, quality, and for graphic settings, very high.
You can still have one.
It's too late now. Stupid.
Heading downtown to help coordinate resources as now.
Coolest mom ever.
Oh, whoa, what's about to happen? What the heck, man? This game's crazy. Very epic game. Average FPS 224.
God of War Ragnarok.
Reflex on plus boost, frame gen on, DLSS is set to quality, ultra graphic settings preset.
Remember when I said there was someone who might help us get answers about the Giants and Loki?
Alright guys, average FPS 256.
The finals.
1440p, NVIDIA DLSS set to quality. Here are the rest of the settings. We had our view distance to epic. Whoa! Oh, he's right here. There we go. Oh, double kill. And performance is amazing. 300 FPS, man. Freaking smooth as heck. Screw these guys. Dude, get away from me! Don't die on me, teammate! Losers. Get the hell out of here! This is our game, punks! Woohoo! Average FPS 265.
Apex Legends.
1440p res. Here are the rest of the settings. NVIDIA Reflex on our enable plus boost. Let's do it. Later. Jesus, bro. No way! Apex performance was maxed out pretty much. It was good. Average FPS 293.
Halo Infinite.
Native 1440p res. Here are the rest of the settings. Medium graphics preset. Let's do it. It's over for you. Yeah. We can still win. I know we're down by over 20 kills. Did he kill the guy though? No, let's get him. Sucker. Damn it, man. Average FPS 188.
Rust.
1440p res. Graphic settings set to medium. Reflex is an on plus boost. And this is all off. Let's do it. I shot him once, hit marker. Going to the right. He's dead. Oh, behind us, behind us. Behind us. Breaking too good. Behind us. Average FPS for Rust 114.
CRYSIS 3 Remastered.
1440p resolution, texture resolution very high. Let's do it. Damn, that didn't kill him. That was sick. That killed them. Alright, we're back outside. What? Another one. I'm sure you're gonna die, dummy. Alright, we're gonna call it a wrap right there. Average FPS 300. 1440p, NVIDIA DLSS set to quality, frame generation on, reflex on plus boost, graphics quality is set to the high preset. Getting a good amount of FPS. Oh shoot, dude, this guy's even bigger now. Die, boy, die. This game's using 20 gigs of RAM. Alright guys, average FPS 182. 1440p resolution. We have a mix of high, medium, and ultra settings. I don't know what game I just bought off the Steam store, but this is awesome! We're running the game maxed out at 1440p. Is this the enemy? Those look like friendlies to me. Oh crap, they're coming. We're done. That's a lot of guys. Ah! What the fudge? Cover my flank, you dummy! You just let him sneak up on me. What's wrong with you? Coming up the ladder! Get the fuck! This is not your home! Damn, this game looks massive.
That's what she said.
Oh, dog, what's up, dude? This game's peaceful as hell, man!
What the dog doing?
Oh! Oh! Woohoo! We won! We're rich! Okay, guys, this game's pretty good. Graphics are cool. Average FPS, 220.
Valorant.
1440p resolution, on plus boost for NVIDIA Reflex, and here's the graphics quality. Let's do it.
Think that you got three stage lyrics. I be banging to this mic, it's therapy and lead, but the mother guys swag, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music in my blood. It was destined for me. Way before I even seen a CD. Cross the wrong line, you gon' need a treaty. Peace.
What the fuck? What was that? Alright, let's try the op now.
Getting better, but they only get longer. Getting there is half the battle. Staying there is much harder. I've been flying out to islands so remote we must charter. Been a pro for 10 years, trying to go another 10. Going hard like Vince Carter. Leave something for my son.
Alright, Valorant performance was stupid good. 555 average FPS.
Counter-Strike 2.
1440p resolution. We have NVIDIA Reflex on enabled plus boost. Here are the rest of the settings.
People trying to feel some for all the bridges burned along the way and how we still run and still swim, even though we underwater. Never hit the kill switch and overcome like everything.
Oh, hey, hold on. Finally. Ooh, 2 headshots right there. That was sexy. Got him.
Take the seed, plant it back, and you control the ship. Navigating through the eye of the storm. Look through the lows, got me higher informed. Soldier soul, now you got buyers.
Oh, that guy almost killed us. No!
Suckers hit me with a tireless swarm. I've been down, but never finished. Been bound to higher limits. Walking past up in the thinnest. Almost lost myself within it. All the roads that end the quickest means you didn't take it farther. I gotta go harder. Piece of my departure.
One right behind me right now too, watch. Fudge, we didn't even place. The FPS was all over the place, but average FPS 280. I did notice that the FPS goes down every time we die and it's spawning us in. It makes the FPS go down. So I don't know how accurate that average FPS is.
Escape from Tarkov.
1440p, here are the rest of the settings.
I came through dripping out the feet. I'm 15, kept it weapon on beat. Flow make bitches out my chicken like what's gon' be.
Jesus, didn't it shit? Oh, we won? Alright guys, average FPS 126.
Cyberpunk 2077.
1440p res, reflex is on. We have it set to the transformer model, set to quality for the frame generation ×4, and everything else is set to high. Let's do it. Yeah, the graphics look really good. Damn! Yeah, this frame gen thing is crazy. What are these advertisements? Oh my god! Blur that! Oh my, it's not me, guys, it's the car. Never take me. Oh crap! No! Alright guys, average FPS 388. 1440p, 90 FOV. Here are our graphic settings. Let's do it. And what the? Man. We'll wrap it up right there for Stalker 2. Average FPS 156. 1440p resolution. NVIDIA DLSS set to ultra quality. Frame generation is on. Here are the rest of the settings. Let's do it.
You don't get.
Boy. We got 25 kills. Yo. Average FPS 289. 1440p resolution. Here are the rest of the settings. Oh crap, no! I got shot.
You should have bandages, you hold F over it. It should be sick.
I don't have bandages. I don't have anything.
Sorry guys, we only got that one.
Oh my god! Yeah, that's right! Get in the house! Get in the house! Did we kill him? UNT? Holy crap, these guys are dead. There's a naked guy behind you.
Nope.
Oh my god, he did it! He's dead! Ah! Oh no! I just hear them screaming after I die. No! Oh, this game is great. Average FPS 92. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. 20 games versus the RTX 5070 Ti at 1440p resolution. I had tons of fun clicking heads with the FPS got quite up there. The monitor I used was 1440p, 360 hertz. That would not be a bad monitor to pair with this card. All right, guys, well, if you want to build a system for yourself, full beginner-friendly guide is on Crater. Link in the video description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.